Welcome, Amazon business owners and soon to be Amazon business owners. It's Tim with ALGO Online Retail. Today, I'm going to share the fastest and simplest way to start an online business right now. Because if you wanted to start a business today, what would you even choose? Everywhere you look, there's a new opportunity being pushed. Real estate, high ticket dropshipping, cryptocurrency trading, franchises like Subway or Burger King. But here's the reality most people don't talk about. For most people, starting a business is the hardest and most expensive thing they'll ever do in their entire life. According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, about 25% of new business fail in the first year. And the average cost to start a business in the US around $30,000 in year one. And that's just the average. Brick and mortar businesses, restaurants, franchises, those can easily cost hundreds of thousands of dollars, even over $1 million. And the people who succeed most often, they've done it before. They already have experience. They've already failed once or twice. So the real question is, how does a normal human being like you and me compete with that? Because it feels like you're expected to spend tens of thousands of dollars just for the privilege of saying, well, I tried. And that's exactly why when someone asks me how to start a business from scratch today, I point them to a time-tested, proven business model, online retail powered by Amazon. And here's why. According to Amazon, about 70% of new sellers make sales in their first year. But the best part, you don't need a fortune to start, and you don't need to wait a year to find out if it's working. Many ALGO members, our students, get their first sale in as little as 30 days. So instead of spending a year and burning cash hoping something works, you get feedback fast from your new business. You know quickly if you're on the right track. And you can start with as little as a couple $1,000s and scale to millions without employees, offices, warehouses, or risky infrastructure. In fact, most Algo members start with $2,000 or $3,000. Some start there and scale to seven figures, and they still don't have employees or offices or warehouses or expensive equipment. They start with an Amazon seller account, which costs you about $40 a month, roughly $100 in software to help research products, and then inventory, a few hundred or a few $1,000s to buy inventory. If it works, they reinvest and scale and grow from there. If it doesn't, maybe they don't like it, don't have time, or they made a mistake, they don't lose a fortune. And here's another big difference compared to most businesses. Once you learn the system, this isn't a 60-hour-a-week grind. Most sellers are spending just a few hours per week at home in their home office, managing inventory, checking numbers, placing reorders, because Amazon handles the part I don't want to do: storage, shipping, customer service. And just to be clear, this is important. I'm not talking about selling any random stuff on Amazon. I'm talking about online retail done the right way. Buying in bulk from authorized suppliers in the US and or Canada, shipping that inventory into Amazon's FBA warehouses, and selling popular brand name products as a prime seller. I am not talking about running around clearance racks with retail arbitrage or dumping tens of thousands of dollars into your own custom branded product manufactured overseas, hoping it sells, and you got to do the marketing. I'm talking about selling products people already buy every single day on Amazon. Products like Disney or Sony or Pedigree dog food or Oreos, any popular name brand. That's why this model works. It's simple, it's proven, and it's one of the lowest risk ways to start a real business right now. If you want to learn exactly how we teach this step by step, click below and register for our free training. We'll show you how to get started the right way, even if you're brand new. Click the link, get registered. I'll see you soon.